Hi, this is Brenda Hansen, and I'm on the gregtangmath.com website, and I have some activities I'd like to share with you. We have addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. These are break-apart strategies to learn these facts. The first thing I'm going to do is choose addition. I'm going to use the doubles easy. One reason is because I'm a second grade teacher and these are the facts that we are working on during our school year. So for this, you have problems 1 of 5. So that means we have 5 problems. This question is 4 plus 5. This is a doubles fact. So we need to figure out which two numbers equal 5. This is the double, so the double of 4. We're going to do 4 again, but 4 plus what number equals 5? That's right, it is 1. 4 plus 4 plus 1 equals, or 4 plus 5 equals 9. And each time you have a correct one, then you move right on to the next problem. 7 plus 8 equals, the doubles fact for this is 7, that's the double, plus 1 more equals 8. So we have 7 plus 8 equals 15, or 7 plus 7 plus 1 equals 15. Moving on to the next one, 2 plus 3. Our doubles fact is 2 plus 1, and that answer is 5. 7 plus 8 equals, we had this one just a little bit ago, but our doubles fact here is the 7 and a 1. With an answer of 15. So 7 plus 8 equals 15. Our last one here, 3 plus 4 equals, this is a doubles plus 1 fact. So 3 plus 3 plus 1 more equals 7. Once you've completed that, it will have you go to Game Over. You can go back to the menu. The next one I'm going to choose is subtraction. I'm going to choose the make 10 easy because, like I said before, this is for my second grade classroom. What we're going to do here is do a subtraction fact. 13 minus 9 equals, so we need to figure out what number here, 13 minus what number will be 10. So 13 minus 3. So now we have 13 minus 3 equals 10. 10. The difference, what two numbers here make 9? So 3 plus what number equals 9? So 6. So 13 minus 9 is an answer of 4. Here we go. 13 minus 7 equals. So we're making a 10. What two numbers here? 13 minus what makes 10? 13 minus 3. So what two numbers addition here make that 7? 3 plus 4, oh, there's our doubles plus 1 fact, equals 13 minus 7 equals 6. 16 minus 8. Okay, 16 minus what number equals 10? That's 6. So 16 minus, and then these two numbers that make 8. So remember, this is the addition fact to solve this problem. 6 plus 2. So 16 minus 8 equals 8. 13 minus 3. 3 plus what number makes a 9? So 3 plus 6. So 13 minus 9 equals 4. I really like these problems because you can check your work. 16 minus what number makes 10? 16 minus 6. 6 plus what number makes a 7? 1. So 16 minus 7 equals, that's right, 9. Okay, nice work. We are going to move right on to the multiplication facts. I am going to do multiplication by 3 facts. So we know our doubles. This is a doubles fact. 2 times 7, or 7 plus 7 equals what, everyone? It's 14. And then one group of 7 is 7. So 3 times 7 equals 14 plus 7. That is an answer of 21. 2 times 8, doubles fact. 8 plus 8 equals 16. One group of 8 is 8. 3 times 8, or 16 plus 8, equals 24. 3 times 5 equals, here's our doubles fact, 2 times 5, or 5 plus 5, that is 10. Plus one group of 5, that's 5 more. 10 plus 5, or 3 times 5, equals 15. 3 times 3 equals, 2 times 3, or 3 plus 3, we know that is 6. Plus 1 times 3, or one group of 3, is 3. 6 plus 3, everyone, is 9. 3 times 5 equals 2 times 5. Two groups of 5 equals 10. Plus 1 times 5, we know that is 5. 10 plus 5, also 3 times 5 equals 15. Nice job on there. We are going to move right along to a division. We are going to do the partitive strategy for division. And with this one, we are going to see that multiplication fact because we have this moved into 6 groups. But, so, we need to figure 18 divided by 6. How many times? This is a multiplication fact, so there's your times. 6 times what number equals 18? 6, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So how many of those? 6 plus 6 plus 6. 6 times 3 equals 18. 9 times blank equals 72. Also, 72 divided by 9 equals, that's going to be 8 groups. 5 times what number equals 45? So how many groups of 5 do we have to make 45? Or we can say 45 divided by 5 equals 9. The next one, 32 divided by 4 equals, we're going to look at that as the multiplication fact. 4 times what number equals 32? These are our fact family numbers. 4 groups of 8 equals 32. 18 divided by 9, this one is our doubles fact. This one's easy for you. 9 times what equals 18? How many 9s does it take to make 18? That's right, it's 2. Very good. So, these were some great strategies to use for GregTangMath.com. And these strategies relate to what we're doing in TE 848 by showing an effective drill that can strengthen our memory and retrieval capabilities. And I got this from our teaching student student-centered mathematics, page 203. We are using invented strategies, think addition. We're reinforcing basic fact mastery, supporting basic fact fluency through games. A lot of great information. Thank you.